What's up, Montclair State? Welcome back to another edition of Rocky on the Street with your favorite fella, Rocky the Red Hawk. How'd I do?
I can totally give it a shot. No big deal at all.
Hey Montclair, welcome back to Rocky on the Street for season 6. We're so back. I know you missed me. We're gonna have so much fun together.
What's up, Red Hawks? Welcome back to the final episode of Rocky on the Street Season 7. Unfortunately, I will be stepping down after this episode, so I'm going to be hosting auditions to find a new host. Sorry, what are you doing?
I need to say.
We're literally filming.
Oh, you can keep doing that.
I mean, we're trying to find auditions for a new host. Do you want to audition?
Yeah, got nothing to do. It's laundry day.
Can I too?
Do you think we should give him a shot? Okay, let's go. Rocky, you'll save, you'll save.
Rocky on the Street!
I have a question for you guys.
Hi guys!
I'm hoping. Okay. What show are we in the middle of recording?
That's good.
All right. We're phoning a friend. You're the lucky winner.
It's the Rocky Show.
Wrong. Going to the next person.
I feel like I should know, but I don't.
Wrong. Come on, Rocky.
Rocky on the go.
Oh, we're so close.
Red Hawk Central.
No. Come here. You know it.
Rocky on the Street.
Rocky on the Street. Let's go. Congratulations. You win absolutely nothing, but we're so happy to have you.
Who was the last host of Rocky on the Street before me?
I have zero clue.
Do you?
Nope.
No? Yeah, I don't either.
She was Rocky.
Well, I mean, she kind of bears a striking resemblance to Rocky. She was standing next to Rocky a lot. Let her inspire you.
I can't say it because I know.
Well, if you know, then you gotta give me the answer.
No.
It was me! It was me. So nice to meet you.
Definitely heard of.
It is. It's definitely her. Yes, it is.
When was Team Rocky founded?
2010.
2014.
You are so close. You are further.
2015.
Yes!
2015.
2015!
Do you know who I am?
Do you know who the third host was?
Who's the best host?
I think it was you. Was it you?
No.
Yeah.
You. Let's go.
You?
Oh, it was me. You know, second time's always a charm.
Can you guess what year that was?
Do you know what year I was the host of Rocky on the Street?
I don't remember you. Like, I'm gonna go
2023.
No.
More than 2 years ago. 2020.
Yeah!
oh, 2020 to 2021.
Yeah, COVID.
I saved 2020, right, Rocky?
So who was your favorite host of Rocky on the Street? Like, why was it me?
Best Rocky on the Street host? Oh, this is rough.
I feel like it was her just because, like, you know, she very inspired me to do great things when I came here.
Thank you. Yeah. That's the wrong answer.
I'm gonna have to go with Matt McDonald. I'm sorry. I love your energy. Matt's a really cool person.
Y'all are great too, though.
Say it one more time.
You were.
It's me!
And I'm your second favorite, right? Yeah, you know. We're in the presence of. This is my favorite host right here, guys.
Do you actually know who is the current host of Rocky on the Street?
Do you guys know the current host of Rocky on the Street? Yeah, and
Yeah!
it's me. Okay, so that was, I don't know if you guys have previous experience, but that was like really good. So I'd like to formally offer you guys the position of new Rocky on the Street host. You can be co-hosts. Can you guys do it?
I actually have worked.
Well, my mom said no.
Then why'd you guys apply?
Because it was really fun.
I'm just on my lunch break.
Can you believe this? Leave me alone. Oh, Rocky, I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna host for you next year. We're gonna have to cancel Rocky on the Street. Excuse me. I have a question for you. Would you be interested in being the new host for Rocky on the Street?
Wait. Me?
No, the other person standing next to you. Yeah, you.
Me?
Yeah, it's yours now. Take it.
Oh, yes, I want to.
Yes, thank you. Oh my gosh, make some room. Hey guys, I'm Lily. I'm a junior, and I will be your host in the fall of 2025. We'll see you there.
I just want to say thank you for having me as your season 7 host of Rocky on the Street. It truly has been a great time. It was a huge honor. Sad to see it go, but I know the next host is going to kill it, going to do great things. And hey, I'm only a junior, so I'll still be here next year. If you see me on campus, stop by and say hi.